Direct in off the last lady owner. What a beautiful car this is. Mercedes C220d SE Automatic Saloon. It is fabulous. Selenite grey metallic with full black artico leather. Absolutely stunning example. Registered April 2019 on a 19 plate. The lady bought it when it was approximately 5 months old. Great spec on these, great to drive. 2-litre diesel automatic with the G-tronic 9-speed automatic gearbox. Very, very sleek. 191 brake horsepower. Claimed miles per gallon from Mercedes at 61.3. How amazing is that? Combined miles per gallon. Great size boot on it, absolutely huge. Benefits from split folding rear seats. Through load facility. So easy to drop the seats down. Pull out the levers. Easy access to that. Bodywork is totally unmarked all the way around. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Front and rear parking sensors. All down the bodywork. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. Magic Continental tyres all the way around. All the wheels in perfect condition. No damage to any of those. Front parking sensors. All across the front. No damage. Hardly any stone chips at all. It is just gorgeous. And we'll show the full details of the video because we have nothing to hide. Full transparency. All the door trims in great condition. Plenty of space in the back. Black artico leather. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in here. All the trims, dashboard, the seats, the door trims, all unmarked. Centre armrest, storage in there, and a couple of cup holders. Nicely slide out of there. And of course, as I mentioned, the seats do drop down, giving you great access should you need that extra storage space or carrying space. Electric windows, electric mirrors, all the switches controlled from there, nice and easy. Folding mirrors, heated seats, electric seats, sports seats, great support for under your leg, you can adjust that to exactly how you want it. Leather multifunctional steering wheel. Again, the driver's seat all in great condition. Front center armrest. USB AUX input in there, meter input. Seat heating for passengers. It's got this nice big clear layout. And just look at the mileage, 17,245. That's what it's done, 17,245. Full Mercedes-Benz service history. So the big clear screen satellite navigation, radio stereo, and just literally just scroll across there. The whole menu, just easy. Of course, you've got navigation. All the various options there. reverse camera, and again you can adjust how far the screen there, what you want to see. Dual zone climate control. Again, nice little layout on the dashboard showing you individual temperatures. And again, the menu on the dashboard, you can scroll through that. So that shows you the same menu as on the main screen, which is the navigation, the radio, the media, the telephone. All at your fingertips, nice and easy to control. Cruise control, speed limiter, volume, voice activation, nice stereo system in the vehicle, and everything's all controlled from that little module there. And of course you've got dynamic selection of the suspension, so you can get it comfort, eco, just get the ride absolutely perfect how you want the vehicle. Again, as I mentioned previously, with the camera you can set it to the full screen or half a screen to show the vehicle and its position. And again, the suspension rides are shown in front of you on the dashboard as well as the big screen. Folding mirrors, paddle shift gear change. So there we have it, our absolutely fabulous Mercedes C220 diesel SE Auto with just 17,000 miles, outstanding condition, full Mercedes-Benz service history, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure, great finance offers always available direct from ourselves, with an APR of just 6.9%, very competitive finance. Use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposits, your low monthly payments, HP or PCP deal, and apply direct off our website. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time over generations to us. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, full transparency to show you every vehicle with a full walk around video, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen 24/7. You can click and reserve this car off our website. To ensure nobody else beats you to it, simply click and reserve it and arrange collection from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can deliver this car to your doorstep. Ask us for further details. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer, established since 1997. Any further information, please give us a call 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.